Hi, welcome to Tem Studios. My name is Krish, and I'm a technical account manager based out of New Zealand. This is a feature introduction for Genesys Cloud Social. Genesys Cloud Social is an integrated part of Genesys Cloud CX platform that allows organizations to engage with customers across popular social media platforms, providing seamless omni-channel customer experience. If you are interested to explore this function, then follow along. Genesys Cloud Social extends the Genesys Cloud CX platform to social media, enabling organizations to interact with customers on their preferred social channel through a single unified interface. Supported platforms for social are Facebook and Instagram for comments and direct messages, X or previously Twitter for mentions, replies, and direct messages. There are two common features for Genesys Cloud Social: social listening and social messaging. Social listening refers to the process of monitoring social media platform for mentions of your brand, products, competitors, or relevant topics, even if customers don't directly tag or message you. It's about understanding public sentiment, trends, and conversations, so your business can proactively engage, analyze customer feedback, or inform marketing and product strategies. And social messaging refers to private two-way conversation between a customer and a business conducted through messaging apps or social media platforms. Think of it like instant messaging or IM, but embedded in apps people use daily like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram DMs, etc. Genesys Open Social leverages open messaging platform for routing and handling social messages. It supports custom social network connectors and allows messages to be directed to the appropriate social pipeline. Almost any social media platform can now be supported by Open Social. However, the most common ones are WhatsApp, supported via Bring Your Own Provider or Genesys Messaging, Line, and WeChat via custom integrations. Let me take you through a brief demo to see how this works. Please ensure you have the required permissions to perform the configurations that follows. If you require assistance with roles and permissions, then feel free to reach out to us or visit Genesys Resource Center. Let's go through the configuration. Once logged into Genesys Cloud, navigate to Admin, Message, Platforms. To create a new integration, click Create New Integration. Select the platform that you'd like to integrate with. Facebook and Instagram are quite similar in configuration. There is a subscription cost to X. As such, we will skip that for this demo. Let's select Facebook. Click Facebook Login, enter your credentials, and once authentication has been completed, you'll be redirected to another page that I'll show you shortly. I already have integrations configured, so let me take you through these. Once authentication has been completed, you'll be asked to give this integration a name, select the page that you'd like to monitor. Once you have selected the page ID will appear. Upon saving this configuration, the page ID will be grayed out, indicating you cannot change this. Optionally, you have got supported content profile field. This field can be left as default. Once done, click Save to save the configuration. Similar to Facebook, for Instagram, once your authentication has been completed, you will need to select the page that you'd like to monitor, give it a name, select your supported content profile. Again, this is optional. You can leave it as default, and you've got an additional optional field to select your platform configurational profile. Once done, click Save. To create a platform config profile, navigate to Platform Configs, click Create Profile. For this demo purpose, I already have created a profile. I've given it a name and selected all the settings under Profile. Once done, click Save. Once all the integrations have been added, navigate to Social Listening. As the name suggests, the following configuration is what enables Genesys Cloud to monitor and listen to posts and comments. Click Add Topic, give it a name, description, and select your division. Once done, click Save. For this demo purpose, I've already created a topic called KM Topics. I'll select that. Click Add Data Ingestion Rule, give it a name, description, select your platforms. For X, define your phrases. For Insta and Facebook, select your integrations respectively. Once done, click Save. Please note, when a topic is created and a data ingestion rule is added, the status for the rule will be pending. It takes a few seconds for these rules to be active. As such, click the refresh button to confirm the status for the rule. The status for the rule should be green, which indicates it is active. Once done, move on to social escalation rules. Escalation rules are what enables Genesys Cloud to route comments with specific phrases to agents. Click Add Rule, give it a name, a description, and select your division. Under Platforms, select your integrations and define your phrases. For this demo purpose, I've already created a social escalation rule. I've given it a name, a description. I've selected a division. I've selected my source integrations for Instagram and Facebook. And I have defined some phrases within the rule. Once done, click Update to save your rule. Similar to the topic data ingestion rule, when a social escalation rule is added, the status for the rule will be pending. It takes a few seconds for the rule to activate. As such, click the refresh button to confirm the status for the rule. The status should be green, indicating it is active. Once done, navigate back to Admin, Queues, and create yourself a queue to handle your social escalation rules. I've created a simple queue for this demo and called it MQ Social KM. There are no special configurations here. I just added the members and wrap-up codes. An important feature has been added for queues that handle digital interactions, where administrators can enable or disable last agent routing for the threaded digital conversations. There is a comprehensive Time Studio videos being created on this feature, so please subscribe and like this channel. Check our community page for details. Once done, click Save, navigate back to Admin, Architect, select Inbound Message Flow, click Add to create a message flow that routes interaction to the queue you have created. For this demo, I already have created a social message flow and call it KM Social Inbound. This is a simple flow where I'm just transferring the interactions to MQ Social KM queue. If you are feeling creative, then you can add more configurations to it. However, for this demo, I will keep it simple. Once done, click Save and Publish. Navigate back to Admin, Routing, and Message Routing. Click Attach New Address to a flow. Select your flow that you have just created, followed by the integration that you have created earlier on under Platform Configurations. For this demo, I have already created a message routing rule. As such, you would not see the flow that I have created. However, I've added my two integrations that I did earlier on under Platform Configurations. To add a new integrations, simply click the drop-down under Add Associated Addresses and select your integrations. Note, you can only associate an integration with one flow. As such, if you attempt to add an integration to another flow, a prompt will be presented seeking confirmation to remove the integration from the previous flow. You can have one flow with multiple integrations. For this demo, I have associated my flow with two integrations. Once done, click Save. Now that we have completed the configuration, let's see how social works. I have created some posts within our demo Facebook and Instagram pages. I have also commented on these posts that includes the phrases I have defined in the escalation rules. Leveraging the same workspace used for virtually all other customer interactions, I have answered the escalations, and let's go through the handling process. Agents can manage both public and private social interactions within the all-in-one Genesys Cloud Agent workspace. Agents can also assign an existing external contact to the interaction, or a new contact can be created for the customer if required. If configured, they can also include assistance from Agent Copilot. Agents can respond publicly and easily transition the conversation to a direct message with a single click, keeping the entire interaction unified within the same conversation thread. Conversations are threaded per social channel and user basis. As such, if a customer comments to multiple posts, then all comments are threaded together, however separated by the post. Clicking on the drop-down arrow on the comment reveals the post this comment has been made against. Clicking on the three dots and selecting Reply allows the agent to respond to the respective comment. Let's look at Dashboard and Analytics for social. Navigate to Performance Workspace. I already have Social Listening Posts tab open. However, if you need to open a new tab, click the plus sign, search for social, and open Social Listening Posts. Displayed are all the posts and comments for this week on Facebook and Instagram pages. Users with appropriate permission is able to view the post and comments and escalate any post or comments that has not been attended to. Users are also able to see sentiments for each comment. Filters also can be applied to suit the viewer's expectation. Finally, navigate to Performance to view the data obtained from the social interactions. These can be used to uncover trends, identify common pain points, and refine customer service approaches. That wraps up our feature demonstration. Hope this video was informative. Please comment below or email us on temstudios@genesys.com. Please stay tuned for more videos as we create them. This is your Tem signing off. Thanks for watching.